Dear students, in the last section we have seen what is function point analysis. Now we will see counting function points. The 5 functional units are ranked. These are the 5 functional units. These are ranked according to their complexity, that is low, average or high, using a prescriptive standard. So organization that uses the FP method develop a criteria to determine whether the particular entry is low or it is average or it is high. So after classifying each of the 5 function type, the unadjusted function point, that is UFP, is calculated using the predefined weights for each function type. So here the weighting factors are identified for all the functional units and it is multiplied with the functional units accordingly, and the procedure for the calculating of unadjusted function point is given in the table. See, this is the formula for calculating the UFP. So the formula for UFP is summation of I is equal to 1 to 5, summation of j is equal to 1 to 3, Zij and Wij, where this Zij is for the functional units. As we know, there are 5 functional units, and Wij is for the weighting factor. Okay, so Wij is for the weights and the Zij is for the functional units. Okay. Organization that use the function point methods develop a criteria for determining whether a particular entry is low, average or high. So according to that, we will calculate the function point as UFP into CAF, where CF is the complexity adjustment factor. Okay, and this complexity adjustment factor is determined by considering the 14 aspects of processing complexity. These are the 14 points of complexity, okay, processing complexity, which are given in this table, and the adjustment factors allows the UFP count to be modified at the most plus or minus 35%. Okay, so the CAF formula is 0.65 plus 0.01 into summation of Fi. So where Fi is equal to I to 14 are the degree of influence and are based on the response question noted in table 3. Okay, so now we will see how we will calculate the UFP and CAF. Okay, so let's see the example. Consider a project with the following functional units. Here the number of user inputs are 50, number of user outputs are 40, number of user inquiries are 35, number of user files are 4, and number of external interfaces are 4. Okay, so according to that, we will calculate the UFP and CAF by using this formula. As we know, UFP is equal to summation of I is equal to 1 to 5, summation of j is equal to 1 to 3, Zij and Wij. So first we will calculate UFP. As we have given in the example, there are 50 user inputs and we have to consider all the adjustment factors and weighting factors to be average. Okay, so according to that, we have to consider the factors as a average. So here for input, the average value is 4 and the number of input are 50. So 50 into 4, number of user outputs are 40 and the average value for the number of user output is 5, average value for user inquiry is 4, average value for user files, number of user files are 10 and average value for external interfaces are 7. So we will multiply with these inputs and we will get UFP as a 628. Okay, and CAF, as we know, 0.65 plus 0.01 into summation of Fi. So it is 0.65 plus 0.01 into 14 into 3. Okay, so it is 0.65 plus as we know, 14 into 3 is 42, so it is 0.42. So it is 1.07. Now FP is equal to UFP into CAF. So UFP is 628 into 1.07 means it is a 672. So the FP for this problem is 672. Okay. Next problem. Here there are the input and outputs are different. Here the 10 low external inputs, 12 high external outputs, 20 low internal logic files, 15 high external interface file, and 12 average external inquiries, and a value for complexity adjustment factor, that is CAF. Here given this value is 1.10. Okay. So now we will have to calculate UFP and then FP. So UFP is low value for input is 3, so 10 into 3, then 12 into 7, 20 into 7, 15 into 10, and 12 into 4. So it is 13 3 is 30, 12 7 is 84, 27 is 140, 15 10 is 150, plus 12 4 is 48. So it is 452, and we have given CF as 1.10. So directly we will multiply with CAF and UFP. So FP is equal to UFP into CAF. It is 450 into 1.10. This value is directly given in the problem, above problem. So it is 497.2. Okay. So thank you so much. This is about the function points calculation.